Welcome back to Top Traveling Tips. Packing for a trip can be a daunting task, especially for beginners. With so many things to consider and so many items to bring, it can be easy to feel overwhelmed. But with a little bit of planning and organization, packing for your next trip can be a breeze. Here are some essential tips for beginners to help make your packing experience as smooth as possible. How to pack smartly for travel: 8 essential tips and tricks. The first and most important thing is to make a list. Before you start packing, make a list of all the items you'll need for your trip. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you don't forget anything important. Consider the length of your trip, the weather, and the activities you'll be doing when creating your list. Number 2 is to choose the right type of luggage. If you're going on a short trip, a carry-on bag or a backpack may be all you need. However, if you're traveling for an extended period of time or have a lot of items to bring, a larger suitcase may be more suitable. Use packing cubes or compression bags. These tools can help you maximize the space in your luggage and keep your items organized. Packing cubes are small, rectangular-shaped bags that fit inside your suitcase, while compression bags help to compress your clothes and other items, allowing you to fit more into your luggage. Pack multi-purpose items. Look for items that can serve multiple purposes, such as a scarf that can be used as a blanket, a wrap, or even a head covering. Pack travel-sized toiletries. Not only do travel-sized bottles save space in your luggage, but they also comply with TSA regulations. Roll your clothes. To save even more space, roll your clothes instead of folding them. Rolling your clothes can help to reduce wrinkles and save up to 50% more space in your luggage. Wear your heavy clothes. In order to save more space, wear the bulkiest thing you own so that you can stay warm and save more space in your suitcase at the same time. Put things inside your shoes. It's a great hack to put small things in your shoes to save more space, like perfumes, socks, jewelry, or other small items. You can make your vacation hassle-free by smartly packing things. Don't forget to press the subscribe button so that we can help you what not to pack in the next video.